Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. So let me show you something that Launch did that's gonna cost you $100 just to get it. So this is a Launch X430 431 Pro, okay, Pro Elite. So this thing costs about maybe $500. The scanner right here, $500, okay. And let me show you something that Launch did, secretly did it. So now you have to pay an extra $100 more just to do very similar function. Let me hook this up. First of all, as you can see, this is my vehicle right here, right? So when I turn it on, as you can see, you see the flashing TPMS, right? So one of my sensor is bad. When my tire sensor is bad, right? So usually with the old software on this scanner, let me pump this up. Let me hook this up, and I'll show you what's going on. Okay. As you can see, I used to use the same scanner to replace the tire sensor on the wheel, and I can use this same scanner before to program the new or register the new tire sensor ID into the vehicle. But now they took that away. So now let me show you, they took it away. Because I can show you the other video, I did exactly the same thing and it did it. And now look, when I do the scan, you can see. Give me a second here. Okay, Toyota diagnostic, right? Diagnostic. Give me a second. Okay. Go ahead and do search. Okay, this is 2000. Okay. Okay, go to the health report, right? As you can see, my car have the, as you can see, right? My car have the TPMS light on, right? Okay, as you can see right now. So this is a solar sensor in the front. That's not the same one. But before, and as you can scroll down, you see that? Now they took away one of that function, one of the tire pressure monitor system out of this. So now as you can see, they scanned my car and they did not show any problem with the TPMS system because it's not even in here anymore. They took it off, right? So now when they took it off, you cannot reprogram the new tire sensor ID in here anymore because it's no longer there. Now let's exit this, right? Let's go home. Now they want you to do is they took that off, so you cannot do reprogramming anymore. Okay, now they took that off. Now the only option you have is this one, which is you required to buy the TPMS gun, which is cost about $125. So now the only thing, if you want to get your new sensor programmed into the car, you have to buy the gun, the tool, the TPMS tool gun, which is gonna cost you, like I said, it's gonna cost you $100 and something. So they secretly take that out. So they require you to buy a gun now, the TPMS gun, just to do the same thing that you can do it before the software update. So that's how they rip you off right now, and I'm very angry about it. So a $500 launch X431 Pro Elite now is a $500 scanner that that won't even do a ID registration for the tire pressure, the tire sensor. So that's, to me, it's just ridiculous. Usually, you do software update, you make improvement. This one, they secretly took that away, and now you cannot do that anymore. Now you have to buy the TPMS gun just to do the same thing as you get it free with the software that come before. So for those people that thinking about I love Launch. Before, I love Launch. Launch is a great branch, a great software, and everything run great. But now, after they took that away, I'm not sure I'm gonna support Launch anymore. I did send them an email question about this, and I didn't get any response from them yet. So hopefully in later they're gonna update the software, but I doubt it they do it. But if they do it, then I put another upload video, and I will remove this video. But as long as they still keeping the same thing that they're doing right now, took away the TPMS monitor software, then this video will be on here, so you guys noticing about it. So if I were you right now, don't buy a launcher anymore. Just go ahead and get like another branch, the X tool, or MCX, or you can get the Autel one. The Autel one, my old Autel is still working fine. They still have the software that you can register the tire sensor ID. But this one, they just removing it. So now it's gonna cost you $100 more just to get the extra add-on module device that you basically do the same thing with the software that they have before. So this video is just let you know that what they did, and hopefully you got a little bit knowledge out of it before you bought a launched scanner. All right, that's it with this video, and I hope you guys find it useful, and I will see you guys on the next video. All right, bye.